Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do it.
Let's see.
Might get a dot, please.
Hope you know what you want. What you want.
I know, guys, I look a bit rough, really rough, but I slept the whole trip. I don't know where we are actually, but I was sleeping like this. Such a cute boy. Yo, I was sleepy, guys, like, but look at this house. We are almost at our location. Almost at our location. I am just so happy I slept majority of the way. I'm gonna give you a look at the sign quickly so we can see where we are. I think we're about to go to Mossel Bay now. Oh! You guys didn't even see that? I'm sorry. I just woke up. I don't know why I showed you a moving sign. George, how was your first road trip?
It was good.
Was it long?
Yeah, very long.
It's still taking long, no? What would you recommend people to do if they're gonna take a long trip?
Don't sleep the whole time.
100% sleep the whole time. We're almost in George, guys.
12 seconds later.
Hey guys, so we arrived to George. Look at the driver. Huh? Wilderness. Oh, we in Wilderness see. Ek is Baba Lassie. But I'm gonna show you the view. It's like so oulikkies, man. I've been here a few times since I've like lived in Knysna. Thank you. Been here a few times since I've lived in Knysna, but like you don't really visit these nice places when you accustomed to the scenery and everything. So being a tourist now in my own home, I can see the beauty of it and can't wait to see my mommy and my sister and my brother. So guys, I normally don't have a script. Look how beautiful this is. Like, isn't it? Oh look. Okay, let me just get out of the way. Isn't it so cute? But as I was saying, I don't really film with a script. I kind of have a set, let's say, PowerPoint, like what I want to film, how I want the video to look. But when it comes to scripting and saying what I want to say, I don't write scripts, guys. I go with the flow. I keep it natural and authentic, so my raw emotions are gonna be in my vlogs. So I'm winging it at this point. I'm not a content creator. I am not a influencer. I am just a girl vlogging my life. And look at this cute. I love these trees. This type of tree, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. But yeah, so right now we are waiting for our accommodation to open because we are here freak early in the wilderness. My mom lives in Knysna. We might go over to her later.
Hello, playing here.
Yeah, they're busy playing pat-pat.
What's that?
It's almost like golf, but or bowling. I'm not sure. So I'm just gonna show you guys a insy bincy clip. But yeah, guys, like I'm just so happy I slept throughout the travels because I don't really like traveling long distance. But yeah, here's the people playing pat-pat. It's called the Girls Restaurant and it's the most cutest little place ever, right? But look at this view. Like, this is one of the things that I miss about the garden route. Living on the garden route or living in the garden route is the scenery, the just greenery everywhere. Your house is literally connected to nature, and I love it. It is the most peaceful thing a human can feel, you know. Especially me, I miss this type of scenery, and jy moet geld het in Kaapstad to get this type of view, right? Look at this. I see us. Look at that. Who wouldn't want to wake up to this every morning? And like I said in my video about relocating to Cape Town, it has its benefits and also it has its disadvantages. The benefits is your soul feels aligned with Gaia. You just feel energetic. You just feel lekker. Yes, Mama? We're gonna walk around so, and oh my god, this is the most beautiful house ever. Like, oh my god, look here. It's in the woods, and this is the entrance, and then the stairs going up like that, and over there. Isn't that just so beautiful? It gives me like fairy vibes. Like, if I go up there, I'm going to meet a witch, and she's gonna give me some tea, and then she's gonna tell me my future, and then, you know, she's gonna be like, girl, you so yes.
There's Marcus like I have like games like sports games that we can play with.
I don't know, you must ask him. But yeah, it's definitely how I want my house to look in the bush. I want the people to be like, is that a house or is that a tree house over there? But yeah, see you guys soon. Bye. So this over here is our accommodation, right? But we can't check in early. They said come 2 o'clock, Mensa, come 2 o'clock, and we were like, we're tired, we just want to sleep. But they were like, no, wag by die ocean. My Afrikaans is on fleek, ne? But look at, that's my grandma. Hi, Ma. Say hi. Say hello. Hi. Nephew. The view. Guys, we are at the accommodation. We are finally at the accommodation, guys. I'm wearing the suit hat because the sun came out, and I was like, nah, it's too hot. But we are here. Oh my god, it looks so nice. I'm gonna show you guys. I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps were the facts, and they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. So we're just gonna find our accommodation, which house is ours, and then I'm gonna do a tour. Okay, maybe a voiceover, I'm not sure, but we're here finally, guys. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just slapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap this nigga on my face. Are you excited?
Very excited. I think it's a pool.
We're gonna take some photos. Oh, I can't swim on the deep side. I don't have to swim. Okay, then you can teach me how to swim. Okay. So he's going to run and show us where our place is. He literally ran to show us our accommodation. My eyes. Just now, I'm not gonna look. I want to get my raw expression. Oh my god, look at it. 3, 2, 1, wow. Look at that view. Oh my guys.
That's a problem, I'm here.
Yeah.
No skateboarding, awesome. Okay, so let's go in. Oh, what? Oh my word.
Yes.
Oh my word. It looks so nice, eh? It's so cute. Look at the kitchen. Oh, I can't wait to cook in this kitchen. And the view, guys. Are you kidding me while I do the dishes? What? I'm excited to cook and do the dishes now. Like, hectic, guys. Are you crazy? Are you crazy? Okay, let's just check the room. Ooh. This is the one room. Hey guys. This is my outfit. I think I look cute. See. Wow, the beds. This is one room. Cupboard. I don't think I'm going to use the cupboards because I will rather just work out my suitcase. The bath. Cute and elegant. It's cutesy. Cute. The lounge. Going upstairs. Let's start with the bathroom. Oh wow. It's nice. I like it. And there's a bath. And there's a laundry basket. I'm definitely gonna do my laundry while I'm here. This is another bedroom. This is so cute. And then this is nice. Definitely. I like it because I thought actually I was sleeping with my mom. So I was like, why are we downstairs? Like, I don't want to be downstairs. I want to be over here. Like, come on now. I showed you the bathroom, and this is the couple's room. My uncle and his wife is gonna be in here. It's cute, right, guys? Don't you think? I think it's fantastic. And then also they have like seats over there overlooking the ocean, and I think it's such a amazing view. So yeah guys, I'm going to end this vlog because I need to go help my family unpack. I'll not end the vlog, in this segment of the video, so I can go help unpack, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. So I'm all done. Do you want to see my outfit? It's beautiful, hey. And I'm just wearing a denim jacket, this top, a tights, and my white shoes. I'm gonna close up and then yeah, get ready to leave for the braai. So we're here and I'm drinking the cider. It tastes nice, I guess. And look at the view. Isn't that just so beautiful? I'm gonna vlog my courses now.
6.5 hours later.
Oh, it looks good. Doggy now. We are currently done. At least my makeup is still on. The braai's done. We're chilling. My mom's talking over there. We're chilling. Yeah, and I'm going to vlog tomorrow. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but tomorrow's another day. Maybe walk around the resort, show you guys around.
You like those? There's another one.
That one is actually nice. Pina colada.
I've never had that. I didn't know what it was.
So we just, you know, chilling. We were busy playing charades and Ludo and just games. But now I'm just chilling basically. Yo guys, we are in Knysna. Look at my own. Look, the walk in these streets. Oh my gosh, it's good to be back home. Just wow, like hectic. It looks so. Yes, I'm wearing yesterday's clothes. Okay, don't judge. Okay, don't judge. But yeah, we're gonna pick my sister up, my brother, and my mom. So this is what we're gonna do here. But the streets is looking the same, but it's looking like uneven. Look at town, guys. Knysna Mall. Boringest mall ever created. It's not even. It's zero to no things to do here for kids. That's the club that I love. Yes, it's like a gypsy vibe. It's called Gypsy. Yes. The blue. And, oh yes, but it's not there anymore. I used to be a manager at this cafe shop over here. I used to be called Cafe Pedro. And then I used to like manage. I was a manager at 18. A cafe manager. That was the best time of my life, making money. He used to be that side, Dr. Ishmael. He did my cleaning, my teeth when I was 16. With my first pay, I went to the dentist. Like, yeah. Yeah, so we're gonna pick my sissy up. Driving through here is like our word. I used to walk from town though. I used to walk from town. I'm gonna show you where we used to live. All the way from town where I used to work at Cafe Pedro. Then I'm gonna show you where. I do. I miss the view. So we back at the resort, guys. I didn't want to film anybody getting rest, so everybody's sitting in. That's my mommy. My sister, I don't want to. My sister, brother's wife.
Please make sure that you
Not brother, uncle's wife. Uncle and my brother, my sister.
What is? Are you taking your phone with you?
And we're having a braai.
No, ma'am.
There's Wi-Fi. So, we're just chilling, drinking. I'm drinking Coca-Cola. And yeah, I'm just chilling. And my sister and I are gonna do a Q&A. We're gonna see what we're gonna do, or what's a Q&A and all. What we're gonna do. But yeah, guys, this is my family. I'm gonna show you my mommy. My mommy. Come. Say mommy. That's my mommy. My mom, May. It's just mac and cheese. So we're gonna eat now. This is what we're going to eat. Is it good, guys? That's my brother. Say hi, Marcus. This is, obviously you saw my nephew, my mom. Say hi, YouTube. Yes, my mommy, uncle, Prime Master, yeah, Prime Master chef. And me, we are going to now eat. I'm gonna make my plate. I'm gonna show you my plate, and then I'm gonna eat, and then enjoy a movie with my family. The fog and the clouds went away. It looks so nice. The fog and the clouds and my view. I'm gonna do my view when my sister wakes up. Go around. Let me go around. I'm gonna go around the house to show you the view. Last night I fainted, guys. I wasn't feeling nice. Like I said, I have a phobia of my own blood and other people's blood. Okay, I know where I got this phobia from. What did you get, Marcus?
I called a little gecko.
Let's see the gecko.
Also known as a 𝙒𝙚𝙖𝙩𝙪𝙧𝙚
𝙒𝙚𝙖𝙪𝙧𝙚.
in Afrikaans.
Oh, in Afrikaans. Hello, cutie.
That I like them because they look like little dragons.
Oh, they do look like little dragons. So we are dropping my sister off at work, and then we're gonna spend some time in town. This is our new driver. My mom. Sorry. The fees. Yeah, they're not sleeping, they're just pretending. But anyway, see you in the next clip. We're gonna go to town where it's not noisy. So we're at the waterfront now. I'm gonna show you little town. This is so cute. It's so cute. It's like little trains and like a little city. It's cute. We arrived here and there was like, no, why are we gonna go to the waterfront? There's nothing to do. But we're just walking around, seeing what they have to offer basically, you know. The jewelry is quite expensive. They are quite expensive with the jewels. But oh, look at the perfume holders are so cutesy. That perfume holder, like I really want one. Then I'm gonna put my perfume in there. Hectic vibes. That's so cute. This is basically the waterfront.
Got Jack Sparrow.
Oh, spurs over there. I think this used to be a sushi place. The boats. The boats is over here. And then I used to smoke over there by the dock. I used to go there and smoke. Let's go. So we are literally waiting for my sister. I found a cute little thing to put in my hair. It looks weird. It needs to be setting properly in my hair. But yeah, we're gonna go surprise hunting now.
Yeah.
That's what we're gonna do. Surprise, surprise. We're gonna go boom. We give us food.
One eternity later.
You must get enough shoes also. Okay, we're done. Those places in two. Go to the back. I said no man, is closed before 2 o'clock on a freaking Sunday and Saturday. We wanted to go back and like the places are closed. I'm talking to my vloggers, my vlogs over here. Oh, see? No? No, thank you. The town is closed, guys. I made this jewelry myself, but the town is closed. I just saw my ex-manager now, and she recognized me. But this girlie pretend like she doesn't recognize me. So I'm like, hi, don't you recognize me? So she's like, oh no, I did. Like, did you take offense to it? So I said, yes. So I said, yes. And she's like, oh, you're still so defensive. I said, yes, I am. And then we like catched up, and she told me like what happened to her after I left. After I took the people to CCMA, I won my case, what happened. And then apparently like after I left, things were like downhill with the illegal gebeagles. That's what I say, guys. When the people employing me, my mouth gets me into trouble sometimes because I speak facts. I speak law in order. So yeah, it was so funny to see it, and she was like, no, she doesn't usually like, you know, say hi to people that she recognizes and things, but she wants to keep to herself. She wants to keep to herself and, you know, hide herself. So I said, no. I said hello. Even if we have beef, I said hello. I know you. I'm gonna say hi at least. I'm not gonna walk past you. Us lock eyes, we lock eyes, and I'm gonna walk past you. That's not right. At least greet. So yeah, I saw her and she was like, yay, where are you off to? And I said, now to Wilderness now. Just chill here in Knysna. And yeah, so we off home. But I can't believe this stuff closed so early. Like, no wonder I could not survive. I could not survive as a teen living here in the 𝙒𝙖𝙖𝙧𝙪𝙧𝙗, not the Knysna. I couldn't. I'm taking the bag now, Hakeem. See you. Yes, I saw her. Oh, guys, I'm back. Look at. It's so cloudy now. My clothes look nice, and the things hi baby. I put on some socks because I'm gonna walk. This is my sister's gown that I'm gonna wear. Yes. If you see this video, I'm wearing your gown. Hi.
I'm a beautiful gentleman of a grabber.
Yes.
If you did not know.
Yes, she's my beautiful gentleman of a grabber. Ma looks like she's in her chops also now. I lie. Ma had a fantastic phone call for that 45 minutes. So basically, this is no, you were talking. So you didn't really feel that 45 minutes. This is my outfit, guys. Like, I think I look super cute. Obviously, like the white shoes that I wore. I think I look cute. This is what you got. So Marcus got this sweets. Ek like soos 'n regte auntie. Well, how was yours? What did you get?
I got beetroot, yeah.
Was it lekker?
Disgusting.
Oh.
He was freaking out. He ran to the wall. He was like,
oh, okay. So show us what happens.
So you press this button and the arrow moves, and whatever you get, I got red.
Show them. So you get, see, each one has a color, and colors have two flavors. So if you get a green, it can either be
Kiwi or sea salt.
So let me.
I'll eat it for you, Layla.
What is this? A kiwi or sea salt. Ooh, let's
me
try. I don't want your sweet, my love. I just want to see how it works. No, don't swallow. Don't waste your swallow. Yes. Come on, choose one for Nafis. Let me choose one for Nafis. Nafis, you get cola or shroom, so it's a brown one. So Marcus, come give him a brown one. Yeah, I spun for you. Give him a brown one. And then I want to see you. Okay, now go. No. You wasted.
Oh, the brown thing in my chicken. Mushroom, yeah.
Don't spit it out, you must eat it. Person colors. Where did that king go?
Sea salt was horrible. You see,
Now we're gonna smoke.
he got mushroom and he was like,
He, what you want? Must spat it out. You can't spit it out, boy.
here comes my
Okay.
uncle.
Cheers.
That.
Yeah, what was that? Green
Eat
kiwi.
your curry.
Ooh, let's see. Let's see.
Please get curry. I'm
Son, I
sorry.
like curry.
Oh, come on, cake.
No reaction, yeah.
What is it?
Haha, the peach.
I'm coming again.
Liquor. Okay.
Come on.
Okay, I'm done vlogging you, so I'm gonna vlog me
Now
now.
it's your turn.
Okay, let's vlog. You do for me.
Okay.
Spin it for me.
Oh, you got it.
What is that?
It's strawberry or red food. I'm
Okay.
hoping you're getting
I also hope.
red
I guess so strawberry or
food. Beetroot.
beetroot. Oh, I can smell it's beetroot. I can definitely smell it's beetroot.
What's the action?
Oh, a strawberry.
Yes! Guys, you want to go again?
It's good. It's good, guys. 10 out
Okay,
of
go.
10. Buy this for your kids. It's a good game. We're gonna take a walk now. Put a jacket on and some, I don't know, some sandals, and I'm eating a nougat. I don't know. I just like, there's something about nougat and Turkish delight that is the best treat ever. Honestly, it's the best treat ever. Here's nuts and chocolate. 10 out of 10. Oh, it's so good. We're on our way to the pools now. Oh, it's a liquor spot to smoke. We should come here and smoke. It's a new smoking spot, definitely. That walk up. I think this walk up over here is gonna be a mission. So yeah, guys, this is wilderness dews. Oh, so cute. Like really cute. They're really quiet, peaceful. And I'm just gonna chill and walk, and there's nothing much to show until I go to the pool and the play area. We'll see how that looks. But like, I just like that everybody can hear the kids. I can hear the kids. I can hear my brother. I can hear him. My sister's at work, so we'll see her on Wednesday. Wednesday. Tomorrow's Monday. Anyway, I don't know what to say. I am not swimming. My mom might swim. Them kids are loud. And fortunately, you can't hear them like if you're in your house. But I can hear the pool. We're gonna go to the pool. And then we're going to go and see the play area. Apparently you can also play pool, like shoot pool. But I don't know where that is. I really would love to go. What here? Please help us protect our entertainment. Here is also trampolines. What? And there's a, oh, there's the pool room. Do you guys see over there? I can see the pool decor. And this is tennis. I don't want to jump. I'm scared. and then I'm gonna fall in. I hope I don't fall in. I can't always put you guys anywhere. I don't know where to put you. Here or the. It's actually nice. It's actually nice and bouncy. Yeah. Okay, let's see if I can do a back flip. Oh no, a front flip. I'm scared. Oh, I'm scared. Okay, let's see. Don't know if I can. Oh, I'm scared. Wait, let's first roll. Let's first roll. Let's roll. Okay, I felt how it feels. Okay. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, go. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm not even gonna attempt. Not gonna attempt that shit. I don't know. Maybe when I pull some courage. No, we're not there yet. Oh, that was nice. But it's bouncy. It's nice and bouncy. Let's go see the people at the pool. Oh. That was 2017. All good, chuck a little round. When to see my type. And my dog, he know what I like. He done found me in my life. Problem is, I meet a girl tonight. Then I go and treat her too nice. Got a real credit card swipes.
So your name is Marcus.
Yes. Yes. How's the water? Cold. Oh. Oh.
So what you gonna do now? I'm gonna go back home and get a pants. But there's nothing on. There's in the basket. In the basket.
Look here. This is my stuff. This is my. This is Marcus. Is that Marcus?
Yeah. So
I'm going with you. Oh, thank you.
I can go with you.
I'm making a video.
I'm also making a video, but I caught up with the family there at the pool. Pool's really cute. This is the bar. I think where you can rinse yourself off if you have a popo or pee. But yeah, let's go with Marcus. I'm walking with my brother now. But because it's more expensive, my love. Oh, we're gonna come sit here. We're gonna sit over there. Definitely. The water looks nice. It's nice. I'm gonna swim later, not now. Not now, like later in the week when it's like all warm. Then I'll vlog myself swimming, guys. But I'm very scared. I can't swim. I can't swim. Maybe my brother can teach me how to swim.
Very easy. The pool can definitely fit you.
Is it? At the deep side?
The deep side. It's like if I can go like this, and then my head will be sticking out.
Oh, okay.
So you won't drown, I think, unless you're really a bad swimmer.
I will drown. Trust me.
No wonder.
I'll drown. This ninja wants me to run up this. Oh my gosh. Look how he's running. I'm like, oh my god. I will walk backwards rather because it's exercise for my calves because I have skinny calves. So let's work out them calves. And my calves are burning already. Oh my god, on the side. Over here. Over here. See how skinny it is. But over here it's burning. Whew. Oh, I feel like, oh my goodness, at least I'm halfway there. But yeah, the view is very nice, guys. Let's walk on that butt. That butt. to get a bubble butt. Oh, okay. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know if I should swim. No. Wait until the sun is out. Doesn't have to actually be when the sun's out. When I actually have this to swim and get wet and have my hair wet and all that. Right now I want to get cozy. Like, I just want to chill, man. Like, I've been in town, been sweating, and we finally made it, guys. You can see I'm out of breath, but anyway, I just want to chill. Been up and driving to Knysna from Wilderness, and from Knysna to Wilderness, it's 45-minute drive. It's a long drive, but you know, actually, you know what? Are you awesome? Are you sorted? Okay, can we leave? I'm gonna eat. The best, if you know, you know. But anyway, I actually don't lose to go down now. Like, I'm not gonna go down. You guys saw that. I'm gonna just chill here and watch a movie. Because 𝙒𝙖𝙘𝙖. Watch this. Come dine with me on. I'm gonna put a movie on. I'm gonna chillax. When my uncle comes, I'm gonna smoke a pipe. We're out of weed, guys. We're out of weed. I wish I could have brought my bong with. Like, smoking pipes is just like, oh my god, such a mission. It is. No, it's a mission and a half. Let's put you here. Okay. It's just a mission. Like, I'm getting hot now. That walk made me hot. I was getting cold, but that walk just made me hot. Yeah, guys, so let's just tie my hair up and put it into my bonnet. Yeah, right now I'm just gonna eat some cookies and watch something while the family's out. Honestly, I'm just so lazy. But yeah, I'll see. I don't want to swim. I want to swim when it's hot. Or not when I'm getting hot. When it is actually hot. Because when I get out of that water, I'm going to be so cold. My ears is going to pain. I'm going to start sniffing. Today was a confusing day. First it was sunny. Then it was misty. Now it's still like partly cloudy. I am not sorry. No, I'm gonna watch something now. I really want to watch the season 2 of Gypsy Rose. Season 2, episode 2. I really want to watch it. Like, I need to watch it, guys. But the site I'm using is like being very selfish at the moment. So I'll see what's on DSTV. Yeah, guys, I hope you guys are enjoying your day or your evening or your afternoon whenever you're watching this video. But I hope you guys are having like a day and that you are relaxed and just enjoying this video while you're cleaning or just trying to fill up the empty space.
Look at this. It's like I don't want to put my hand near it, but it's humongous. Yes, thank you, Uncle.
This means it's good luck.
It's cool.
Oh, it's gonna attack.
Yeah,
It's
gonna attack. see how I was bouncing so?
So it doesn't
When
look like
it's approaching the prey. Yeah,
wherever I go, there's a praying mantis. Wherever my mom goes, there's always one of them. This is like one of the biggest.
But they grow bigger than that.
Oh, they do.
They at least grow to about the arms length in the wild.
Like I think their max size is.
It's literally creepy.
Why you wouldn't be so tight? Yeah, you too slow, bruh.
That scared me.
Too slow, bruh.
Yo, bro, look at that.
Mozzie, it's a mozzie.
Look at. That's a mosquito.
It's a red one. A big red.
I'm scared. Yeah, no. Do you know how to grab it? But it can hurt you.
No, it can't. A prey mantis can't hurt a human.
Oh, then you
They're
grab
not
it.
poisonous to humans.
It's just that
Is it?
they're not poisonous at all.
For other
Can you not do it?
animals, yes. Other insects, yes.
Hello. Hello.
Oh,
No,
do
you
it with
slow,
other
you
small
You
ones.
slow. I thought he was getting ready there.
This is too
It was
max.
like the build-up was like,
Walking so
and it was like, I'm not hungry, boo boo. I'm not hungry, boo boo.